Coming spring of 2017, National Carpet Mill Outlet in Medina and National Granite Luxuries will join to become National Design Mart. 150,000 square feet of cabinets, countertops, and flooring, plus in-house interior designers, a kids' kingdom, and cafe. We're bringing a tradition of value and service to our new location at 2255 Medina Road. Since the groundbreaking in July, we've been making progress every day on the all-new, locally owned National Design Mart. Get ready for National Design Mart, your one-stop inspiration destination.
Experience the difference. National Design Mart, your design super.